Are you ready to learn? I am here to guide you with your lessons for the first quarter. Remember to listen very carefully for you to understand our lesson. Let's start with Module 1, which is about the kinds of musical notes and rests. Lesson 1. Do you know the kinds of musical notes? In this lesson, we are going to learn 5 musical notes. We have whole note, half note, quarter note, eighth note, and 16th note. Let's now learn the symbols and the corresponding time values of notes. Listen carefully for the description of the symbols of notes. The symbol of whole notes is like an oval. Its time value is 4 bits. The symbol of half notes is like an oval with a straight stem. Its time value is 2 bits. The symbol of quarter note is like a shaded oval with a straight stem. Its time value is 1 bit. The symbol of eighth note is like a shaded oval with a straight stem and 1 flag. Its time value is 1/2 bit. The symbol of 16th note is like a shaded oval with a straight stem and 2 flags. Its time value is 1/4 bit. Let's try to answer a few questions. Question number 1. Which of the following is the symbol of half note? Is it letter A, B, C, or D? The symbol of half note is letter B. Question number 2. What is the time value of whole note? A, 2 bits, B, 4 bits, C, 6 bits, or D, 8 bits? The time value of whole note is 4 bits, letter B. Question number 3. Which of the following is the symbol of eighth note? Is it letter A, B, C, or D? The symbol of eighth note is letter C. Question number 4. What is the time value of half note? A, 5 bits, B, 4 bits, C, 3 bits, or D, 2 bits? The time value of half note is 2 bits, letter D. And question number 5. What is the time value of 16th note? A, 1 1/4 bits, B, 1/4 bit, C, 1 1/2 bits, or D, 1/2 bit? The time value of 16th note is 1/4 bit, letter B. Did you get it all correct? Very good. Let's move to lesson 2, the kinds of musical rests. Let's have a review first about our previous lesson on the kinds of notes. Question number 1. Which of the following notes has a time value of 1 bit? A, whole note, B, quarter note, C, half note, or D, eighth note? Correct! The answer is letter B, quarter note. Question number 2. What is the time value of half note? A, 1 bit, B, 2 bits, C, 3 bits, or D, 4 bits? You got it right. The answer is letter B, 2 bits. Question number 3. A musical note represents silence. A, true, B, false, C, maybe, or D, none of the above? The answer is letter B, false. Why? Because a note represents sound. Question number 4. What is the time value of 16th note? A. 1 bit, B. 2 bits, C. 1/2 bit, or D. 1/4 bit? Correct. The answer is letter D, 1/4 bit. And question number 5. Which of the following notes has a time value of 1/2 bit? A. Quarter note, B. 8th note, C. Half note, or D. 16th note? Yes, the answer is letter B, 8th note. Back to our lesson. Just like notes, we are also going to learn 5 kinds of rests. We have whole rest, half rest, quarter rest, 8th rest, and 16th rest. Let's now learn the symbols and the corresponding time values of rests. Listen carefully for the description of the symbols of rest. Whole rest is like a shaded rectangle hanging on a line. Its time value is 4 bits. Half rest is also like a shaded rectangle sitting on a line. Its time value is 2 bits. Quarter rest looks like number 2 with a hook at the bottom. Its time value is 1 bit. 8th rest looks like a slanted line with 1 flag. Its time value is 1/2 bit. And the 16th rest looks like a slanted line with 2 flags. Its time value is 1/4 bit. Let's try to answer a few questions. Question number 1. Which of the following is the symbol of 16th rest? Is it letter A, B, C, or D? The answer is letter A. Question number 2. Which of the following is the symbol of 8th rest? Is it letter A, B, C, or D? The answer is letter B. Question number 3. Which of the following rests has a time value of 4 bits? A. Half rest, B. 8th rest, C. Whole rest, or D. Quarter rest? The answer is whole rest, letter C. Question number 4. What is the time value of quarter rest? A. 4 bits, B. 3 bits, C. 2 bits, or D. 1 bit? The time value of quarter rest is 1 bit, letter D. And question number 5. Which of the following is the symbol of half rest? Is it letter A, B, C, or D? The answer is letter D. Did you have a perfect score? Keep up the good work. We also have what we call dotted notes and dotted rests. Dotted means to increase the original bits of notes or rests by half of their original values. Let's have some examples. Example number 1. Dotted whole note has 6 bits. A whole note has a time value of 4 bits. Half of 4 is 2. Add 4 and 2, you get 6. Example number 2. Dotted quarter rest has 1 1/2 bits. A quarter rest has a time value of 1 bit. Half of 1 is 1/2. Add 1 and 1/2, you get 1 1/2. And example number 3, dotted half note has 3 bits. A half note has a time value of 2 bits. Half of 2 is 1. Add 2 and 1, you get 3. Let's try to answer a few questions. Question number 1. Which of the following dotted rests has a time value of 3/4 bit? A. Dotted half rest. B. Dotted eighth rest. C. Dotted whole rest. Or D. Dotted quarter rest. The correct answer is dotted eighth rest. Letter B. Question number 2. What is the time value of a dotted half note? A. 6 bits. B. 5 bits. C. 4 bits. Or D. 3 bits. The time value of a dotted half note is 3 bits. Letter D. Question number 3. What is the time value of a dotted whole note? A. 6 bits. B. 5 bits. C. 4 bits. Or D. 3 bits. The time value of a dotted whole note is 6 bits. Letter A. Question number 4. What is the time value of a dotted quarter rest? A. 4 1/2 bits. B. 3 1/2 bits. C. 2 1/2 bits. Or D. 1 1/2 bits. The time value of a dotted quarter rest is 1 1/2 bits. Letter D. And question number 5. What is the time value of a dotted eighth rest? A. 1/2 bit. B. 1 1/2 bits. C. 3/4 bit. Or D. 1 3/4 bits. The time value of a dotted eighth rest is 3/4 bit. Letter C. Did you have a perfect score? Well done! In the past activities, can you now tell the similarities and differences of notes and rests? As you can see in each lines, notes and rests have different symbols but with the same beginning names and time values. I hope you learned something from me.